Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that turns your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we're putting two high-flying gadgets under the microscope: the Holystone HS720E and the Ruko U11S. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride through the world of drones. The Holystone HS720E comes in at $399, a price that might make your wallet feel a bit lighter. On the other hand, the Ruko U11S is more budget-friendly at $283. If you're looking to save some cash, Ruko's got your back. The Holystone HS720E boasts a 4K EIS anti-sh camera with a Sony sensor, ensuring your videos are smooth and stable. The Ruko U11S also features a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, allowing for versatile shooting. Reviewers love the HS720E for its image stabilization, while the U11S wins points for its adjustable angle. Holystone promises 46 minutes of flight time with its Fly More kit, which is impressive. Ruko, on the other hand, offers 40 minutes with its two batteries. Reviewers note that the hydrogen sulfide E's longer flight time is a significant advantage. Holystone's HS720E comes with Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, making it user-friendly and feature-rich. Ruko U11S focuses on simplicity with its beginner-friendly transmitter and one-key functions. Reviewers appreciate the HS720E for its advanced features and the U11S for its ease of use. Holystone's whisper-quiet brushless motors are praised by reviewers for their low noise levels. Ruko's noise levels aren't highlighted much in reviews, implying it might be louder. If you want to keep your flight stealthy, Holystone is the better option. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Holystone HS720E for its stability, advanced features, and excellent customer service. The Ruko U11S is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and solid performance, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're Team Holystone with its high-flying, smooth-sailing features, or Team Ruko with its budget-friendly, beginner-loving charm, both drones have something awesome to offer. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and ring that bell so you never miss out on our next product showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.